So we need 4 large mangoes, ripe mangoes, or we're using 5 because they're smaller. 5 medium and 3 all-purpose cream, and then we need 1.5 condensed milk or 450 ml, and 16 packs of 25 grams graham crackers. And we need this glass container to put the mango float. And what is this, you mean? Blender. Okay.
Let's start making.
Okay. Are you ready, love?
Smiles a lot. First, we are putting the graham crackers in the bowl. Next, we are slicing the mangoes into thin slices. Before we slice the mangoes, we have to peel off the skin. Now we are slicing the mangoes, and their skin is all peeled off. Now we are whipping up the all-purpose cream until double volume. Go. It's splashing! Now we are pouring in the condensed milk, and after we will whip it again. Now we're going to whip it again. The condensed milk and all-purpose cream are all mixed together. Whipped up. It's ready to assemble. Let's start arranging them on the bowl. The mixture, mango slices, and the graham crackers.
The bottom.
First, we are arranging the graham crackers in the bowl. Let the cover everywhere. Make sure the bottom is all covered with graham crackers. Next, we are putting the mixture. Next, we pour the mixture on the graham crackers. Wow, so cool.
That's satisfying.
Satisfying. It's like snow. Butter. Make sure everything is covered.
We don't want it. We want it to be uncovered.
Next, we put the mangoes. We are arranging them in order. Wow, they look like French fries, but they're mangoes. They're going in order. Still putting them. And we're gonna have to repeat this all over again and again.
And again.
So we're putting the graham crackers again. And they're being put in order. So cool. For the last layer, we are putting crushed graham crackers to make it tasty.
Yeah.
Looks like cookie crumbs.
Yeah. I think you crushed cookie crumbs. That's actually graham.
Crushed cookies.
That's graham.
Cracked.
Cracked? Crushed? Yeah.
Tasty. Delicious.
Tasty, delicious, and
Yum.
Candy Crush.
Crunchy.
Delicious.
Tasty. Delicious. Tasty. Terrific. This is the final bakings. It looks tasty, but we need to put this into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, and then we can devour it.
Hours later. It's done! They just grabbed my face. They took one by one side. No, that's it. You got this to cut it. Wow. It's very big. Wow. A shiny
Mango
corner.
float. Let's see the bottom. Let's see how it looks like.
Wow. A shiny corner. Oh, it's so creamy at the bottom.
Oh, wait, let's see ito.
And your smarty pants. Wow.
Yum, yum.
I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, let mommy do it. Wow. You got big slices. Look at this, guys. Super yummy.
It's tasty, delicious.
Look at that.
Crunchy.
Not crunchy.
There's
Wow.
graham crackers in it.
Yummy. Shh, how's yours, Nancy?
Delicious.
Yeah.
Crunchy. Tasty.
Yeah.
Dig in! Wow. So delicious. creamy filling. Yummylicious. Look at that. How's it, Lance? Wow, you're almost done. You finished half of it. Oh, look at the lamis. Wow.
I hope you like our recipe, and also you can try it. You need some graham crackers, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, and mango, and a bowl.
Easy.
And something
So
to
easy.